In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your document to portrait mode in Microsoft Word. This might seem like a simple task, but aligning your document effectively is crucial when you're planning to print or share it. Whether you are drafting a report, a letter, or preparing any document that requires a more traditional layout, setting it to portrait mode is often the first thing you want to do. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Now, to switch your page orientation, you'll need to navigate to the ribbon at the top of your screen. The ribbon contains a series of tabs, each holding a variety of tools. Look for the Layout tab. It's typically situated towards the right end of your toolbar and deals with your document's page design, including settings like margins, orientation, and size. Click on it to open the layout options. Once you're in the Layout tab, direct your attention to the Page Setup group. This section will have tools that allow you to adjust various page settings. Among these options, you'll find Orientation. Clicking on the Orientation button will reveal two choices for you: Portrait, which is what we're focusing on, and Landscape. Portrait orientation is suitable for most documents because it aligns with the way most printed text is formatted, allowing for a more intuitive reading flow. Go ahead and select Portrait from the list. After selecting Portrait, Word will instantly apply this setting to your document pages. You should now be able to see the effect across all pages in your document, giving you a vertical page layout that is perfect for text-heavy documents like letters or articles. Notably, this change will affect the entire document unless you're working with custom sections, in which case you might have to adjust orientation for each section individually. Remember, if you're ever unsure how your document will look printed, you can always use the Print Preview option. It allows you to visualize how the document formatting will appear on a printed page, ensuring your content is represented exactly how you want it. As a quick tip, if you frequently switch between Portrait and Landscape, or adjust other layout settings, you might consider customizing the Quick Access toolbar in Word to include these options for faster access. It streamlines the process, saving you time if you often work with diverse document types. So, that's it. You've successfully set your document to portrait orientation in Microsoft Word. With your page now oriented correctly, you're ready to continue composing with confidence that the layout is just right for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of Word's powerful features to enhance your document workflow.